Take a moment to look around you. If you find yourself surrounded by things that aren't serving a purpose at this very moment, you are in the right place. This video is made just for you. Today, I will be shedding light on areas in your life that will benefit from a touch of minimalism. The best part, you get to apply it in a way that suits your unique style and preferences. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is minimalism? Well, it's not just about having empty rooms and a stark lifestyle. Minimalism is about simplifying, focusing on what truly matters, and intentionally choosing a life with less clutter. So imagine this: minimalism versus consumerism and materialism. While consumerism and materialism encourages us to accumulate more and more stuff, minimalism takes a different approach. It's about quality over quantity, cherishing what adds real value to our lives. Why bother with minimalism? Stress reduction. Picture coming home to a space that's calm and clutter-free. Increased focus. With fewer distractions, you can direct your energy to what truly matters. And let's not forget about financial freedom. By being mindful of our spending, we can save more, worry less, and even treat ourselves to experiences that bring genuine joy. So, in a nutshell, minimalism is all about simplifying, breaking free from the shackles of consumerism, and enjoying the simplicity of life. Now that we are all in on the minimalist vibe, let's tackle the first step: declutter your physical space. It's time to take a good look around and ask ourselves, do these things really bring value to my life? So, grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's get started with assessing your belongings. Identify the items that add real value, those that bring joy or serve a purpose, and well, those that don't. We are all guilty of holding onto things we don't need. Now, when it comes to practical decluttering tips, I've got two methods for you: the KonMari method and the 30-day minimalism challenge. The KonMari method, coined by Marie Kondo, it's all about keeping what sparks joy and letting go of the rest. Start with one category at a time, like clothes or books, and ask yourself, does this item bring me joy? If not, it's time to say thank you and let it go. The 30-day minimalism challenge, this one's simple but effective. On day 1, let go of one item. On day 2, 2 items, and so on. By the end of the month, you will have bid farewell to 465 items. It's a gradual process that keeps the overwhelm at bay. Remember, decluttering isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about creating space for what truly matters. So, use these methods wisely. Simplify your wardrobe. Once you've identified the clothes that truly bring you joy and serve a purpose, it's time to part ways with the rest. And how do we do that? 3 magic words: donate, sell, recycle. Firstly, consider donating the items that are still in good condition but no longer spark joy for you. There are plenty of organizations and people out there who could benefit from what you no longer need. Next up, think about selling those items that are still in decent shape. This not only helps you declutter, but also puts a few extra bucks in your pocket. Online platforms and local consignment stores are great places to start. And for those items that are beyond repair or too worn out, let's give them a new lease on life through recycling. It's a small step that makes a big difference for our planet. Now, let's talk about simplifying our wardrobe. Ever heard of the term capsule wardrobe? It's a minimalist approach to fashion, focusing on quality over quantity. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, creating countless outfits without the need for a packed closet. No more dealing with the "I have nothing to wear" dilemma. Embrace the simplicity of a curated wardrobe, donate, sell, or recycle the rest to move one step closer to a clutter-free, intentional lifestyle. Now, let's shift our focus from the physical to the digital realm. Streamline your digital life. In this age of constant connectivity, it's crucial to declutter our digital space for a more mindful and intentional lifestyle. First thing to deal with is digital devices. Take a look at your phone, computer, and other gadgets, delete apps you no longer use, and organize your home screens to create a digital environment that promotes focus and simplicity. Take some time to organize your digital files, create folders with clear and concise names, making it easier to locate what you need without the digital chaos. We all know the feeling of being bombarded with unnecessary emails and notifications. Take control by unsubscribing from newsletters and promotional emails that no longer serve you. Your inbox should be a tool, not a source of stress. When we talk about stress, we can't ignore digital detox practices. Consider setting designated times to disconnect from your devices, whether it's a daily tech-free hour or digital detox day each week. Giving yourself a break from the constant stream of information do wonders for your mental well-being. So, clean up those digital spaces, organize files, declutter inboxes, and embrace a healthier relationship with digital devices. mindful consumption. Before hitting that buy now button or swiping your card, ask yourself, do I really need this? Think about how the item aligns with your values and contributes to your overall well-being. Consider the environmental impact of your purchases. Opt for sustainable and eco-friendly products whenever possible. By making mindful choices, we can contribute to a healthier planet and a more sustainable future. It's time to break free from the cycle of instant gratification. Instead of making spontaneous purchases, take a step back, think it over, and only buy what truly adds value to your life. And here is a golden rule for mindful consumption: quality over quantity. Invest in items that are well made, durable, and timeless. This not only reduces the need for constant replacements, but also enhances the overall quality of your life. Whether it's clothing, gadgets, or household items, be a mindful consumer. Make intentional choices, consider the environment, resist the urge to impulse buy, and prioritize quality over quantity. It's a small shift that has a big changes in how we experience and appreciate the things in our lives. Minimalist mindset. Minimalism is not just about having fewer things, it's about finding joy and fulfillment in what you already have. Embrace the idea that contentment comes from appreciating the present moment and the simplicity it brings. Next up, shift your focus from possessions to experiences. Instead of accumulating more stuff, invest your time and resources in creating meaningful memories. Whether it's travel, time with loved ones, or personal growth, prioritize experiences that add value to your life. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. This simple practice can shift your perspective and help you appreciate the richness of life beyond material possessions. And let's address the infamous fear of missing out, FOMO. In the world of social media and constant connectivity, it's easy to feel like you are missing out on something. But remember, the real joy often lies in the present moment. Let go of the fear of missing out, focus on what really matters to you, and savor the richness of your own journey. So, as we embrace contentment, prioritize experiences, cultivate gratitude, and let go of FOMO, we are truly adopting a minimalist mindset. It's a mindset that transcends the physical and leads to a more meaningful and intentional way of living. Financial minimalism. Understanding where your money is going is the first step towards financial freedom. Create a budget that aligns with your values, sets clear priorities, and helps you achieve your financial goals. Take a close look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness. It's amazing how a few small changes can lead to significant savings. Building an emergency fund is a fundamental aspect of financial minimalism. Having a financial safety net provides peace of mind and allows you to navigate unexpected challenges without derailing your progress. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. So, whether it's budgeting, reducing expenses, building your emergency fund, or investing in experiences, financial minimalism is about aligning your finances with your values. It's a journey towards greater financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms. Let me know in the comments what minimalist techniques you use in this consumerist world.